This is how you can block all ads on your iPhone. It's one of the best and easiest ways I've found. My daughter's soccer team uses an app called TeamSnap, and they have these ads appear everywhere. And these ones aren't that bad because they kind of fit in the flow, but they also have pop-up ads that are super annoying. And if your kids play games on iPhones, I'm sure they've seen ads. Almost some games, every round you play, there's another video ad for 30 seconds. Super annoying. Let's get rid of those. To do that, we're going to go to Safari. We're going to search for AdGuard. This is not the website we want right there. The one we want is down here, AdGuard DNS. Tap on that to open it. This is going to allow us to connect to the public DNS servers through AdGuard. If you don't get to this page specifically, you can tap on this hamburger icon in the top left, tap on AdGuard DNS, and then choose public DNS, and that comes to this page. Here, we can choose to install an app, or we can do it manually, which isn't much work. We just tap a few buttons, and this will install a profile in our settings that will route our network traffic through their ad filters. To do that, tap on the iOS option. You could choose from default, non-filtering, or family protection. Family protection takes out things like gambling and pornography and things like that. So choose which option is correct for you. Tap on download configuration profile, tap on allow, tap on close. And now in our settings on the phone, we have a profile added. You'll see right here, profile downloaded. Tap on that to open it, and we see the AdGuard profile. Here we can choose to remove it if you want to back out, or install it if you want to keep going. The reason you might want to back out is because you're routing all your network traffic through their servers so they can filter ads. So before ads can be filtered from a game or a website, they have to know you're playing the game or the website. So that information has to go through their servers, and then they can block the ads. If you tap on more details here, it shows their certificates. So you can review these and make sure they're all legit. They are registered, they're certified, they're a legit company. So it's the safest you're going to be for blocking ads in this way. But if you don't want to do that, then don't carry on. Remove download a profile and just deal with the ads. If you are okay with that, or you want to try it out for a little bit and see how it goes, tap on install, enter your passcode. It says the network traffic of your iPhone may be filtered or monitored by a DNS server. In other words, they're going to see your traffic and what you're doing and filter ads appropriately. Tap on install to install it, tap on install again, and now it's installed. And now if we go back to that TeamSnap app for my daughter's soccer team, that Walmart ad just disappeared. It filtered it out. It wasn't instant. It didn't load without the ad there, but it only took a microsecond or less or more. Microsecond's pretty fast. It only took a second to filter out that ad. And this is now going to filter ads from websites and from apps on your phone. And if you want to get rid of the AdGuard from your phone in the future, for whatever reason, just go into the settings. Let's tap this check mark. Let's go back to the very front so we can see where to go. Go into the settings, scroll down to general, scroll down to VPN and device management. Tap on that to open it. Here we see the AdGuard DNS. Tap on that, then tap on remove profile, enter your passcode again, tap on remove, and now that's gone from your phone. Your network traffic is no longer routed through AdGuard, but the ads will come back. Go to TeamSnap. I'm willing to bet the ad will be there. Let's close the app and restart it. And there we go. The ads are back, but the AdGuard's removed and your traffic's no longer monitored. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your phone. You've probably never done it, so you got to do it. And you might end up getting a lot of space back on your phone as well. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.